Hello guys, how's it going? My name is Jesus, and I was given the okay by Natalie to go ahead and send this video over to you. And you're probably wondering why I would even take the time to make a video like this for you. And the honest truth is that a lot of the plumbers around here in Farmington are too busy to even realize how the internet can work for their advantage, right? So first and foremost, let me thank you for watching this video, and let's get straight into it, okay? So there's three things that I'm going to be talking about today. The first one being content, the second one being backlinks, and then third, citations. So when we're talking about content, I pulled up your website here as was on Google, and I'm going to be honest with you. I mean, it's not the worst website I've seen. Okay, I'm not trying to offend anyone, but Google, well, to be honest, the good thing about Google is they don't care about how good a website looks. The only thing they're worried about is content and keywords and such. So if I were to highlight all of your content here, click copy, and then put it in my word finder. Let me do that really quick. My keyword counter. I don't know why I keep saying finder. Okay, there it is. Let me clear this out here and paste all your info here. So you'd be at 530 words. So an authoritative website has roughly anywhere between 15 and 1,500 to 2,000 words with relevant keywords in the homepage alone. So you're kind of lacking just a little bit, but like I said, it's not the worst. I've seen others kind of go anywhere between 1 to 200. But let's see. So now let's talk about your content here. So what you're really trying to aim for is adding things like plumbers, Farmington, New Mexico, buyer intent keywords where people are looking to purchase, that are looking to have their home serviced for these things. I would recommend adding keywords like best plumbers, Farmington, New Mexico, the plumbers, Farmington, New Mexico trusts, things like that would help Google find you better. All right, so that's all for the content and the keywords. As I said, Google doesn't care how fancy your page looks. All they care about is the content and all the related topics according to your website, okay? So the second thing I want to talk to you about are backlinks. So I typed in your website here into my tool. This tool is called Ahrefs, and this is a paid tool. Obviously, I'm in the industry. But you can look up all these tools yourself. Some of them are free so that you can see exactly what I'm looking at. Okay, so your page has currently just one organic keyword. There's hardly anybody viewing your website every month. Okay, and then obviously there's no traffic value because there's no one watching. So it's not as popular as you may think. So if we go into your competitors, which is these guys, M&R Plumbing Service, this is theirs. Okay, so they have 115 keywords. They have 63 referring domains. Now, these referring domains are just websites that are linking back to their website, right? So Google wants to know that the websites that are referring back to you are trusted first and foremost, and are also relevant, right? You're not a restaurant, right? Obviously, Google knows you're not a restaurant. So if your services are found on a restaurant, it's not a powerful enough referring domain. And then this is the amount of times that Google, excuse me, sorry about that. This is the amount of times that those links are found on these referring domains. So look at this organic traffic here. About 198 people, give or take one or two, are going to their website. And look at how much the traffic value is. This is a lot of calls that you're missing out on, okay? These are a lot of people that are looking, that are wanting their home service for plumbing, okay? And then their keywords here. Take a look at those really quick. So if you wanted to add any of these keywords onto your website, I mean, it would definitely boost your relevancy, right? Look, Farmington Plumber, Farmington Plumbing. And it looks like they know what they're doing here. Look, plumbing repairs near me, plumbing services near me. You've got Farmington Plumbing and Heating. I mean, there is just a plethora of keywords that you can be using on your website that would help you be more relevant online to get more traffic towards your website, okay? Now we're going to go back to the overview, and I'm going to show you these backlinks here. M&R plumbing service. Obviously, you didn't have any, so we're gonna go back here and I'm gonna show you. So, the good news about these backlinks, guys, and the referring domains is that if they're good enough to rank your opponent, they're good enough to rank you, right? So if you were to take all these backlinks and all these referring domains, plug them into your website or have them refer back to your website, you'd be ranking there at the top as well, right, in the organic searches. So if I look back here, I go back and go back here, you'd be ranked all up in here. See, M&R plumbing service, you'd be right here at the top. Now, the last thing that I want to talk to you about are citations, which is probably the most important thing. Citations is what gets you up here. Okay, and you're probably wondering what a citation is. A citation is just anywhere that your business can be found in a directory, right? Where your address, business name, and phone number can be found in a directory. And a directory is Yelp, Yellow Pages, White Pages, Home Advisor. All these different types of directories where your business can be found can help boost where you are here, right? Because this is where the traffic is. This is where all the people go. I don't know if you're like me. Whenever I Google something, I usually pick the first one on top, right? Whenever I Google, I don't know, automotive repair in Farmington, New Mexico, right? I usually go for the first one here. I don't even bother to scroll to the second page over here, right? So, with that being said, if you wanted to outrank your opponents here in the Google Map Pack, is what we call it, all you would have to do is figure out where your competitors are getting their citations from, where they're putting their businesses on which directory, and you would just up the ante, right? So if they had 150 citations, I would suggest you go for 200 and you'd outrank all these people here. You'd be here at the top getting all that traffic, getting all that revenue, potential clients and customers flooding your way. So with that being said, I mean, you have two options, right? You can do this yourself, and I mean, more power to you, right? You can definitely go in there and as I said, do those three things: fixing your content, making sure you have relevant keywords, adding some backlinks, right? Trusted websites to where that can refer back to your page, and then citations, right? Putting your information on directories to be higher up here in the Google Map Pack. You can do all this yourself. I mean, no harm, no foul, but obviously I'm in the industry. If you needed help with this, I could definitely help you out. I can see what I can do to bring in some more revenue for you. So whatever it is you'd like to do, just shoot me an email if this interests you. And I'll be looking forward to hearing from you. I appreciate your time, and we'll see you guys later.